Our hosts, His Excellency President Dr. William.Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, and Her Excellency the First Lady, Madam Raila.Ruto, our distinguished guests, Their Majesties, King Charles III and Queen Camilla, Your Excellency, the Right Honorable James Cleverly, Secretary of State for Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Affairs, Honorable Speakers of both Houses of the National Assembly, the Honorable Chief Justice, Madam Martha Koome, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor and great privilege to welcome Their Majesties King Charles III and Queen Camilla to our country, and for Their Excellencies the President and the First Lady to host Your Majesties for this state dinner. His Majesty the King is no stranger to this country, having previously visited Kenya in 1971, 1978, and in 1987. However, this is the first time that His Majesty is making the first visit to Kenya as King, and His Majesty's first visit as a monarch to a Commonwealth country. Indeed, the choice of Kenya as Your Majesty's first Commonwealth country to visit since Your Majesty's accession to the royal throne is both significant and historic. This visit also comes on the back of His Majesty the King and Her Majesty Queen Camilla hosting over 400 members of the Kenya United Kingdom community at Buckingham Palace last Tuesday. All these dovetail appropriately with the warm, cordial, and historical ties between Kenya and the United Kingdom and Your Majesty's people-centered approach to issues. It is now my pleasure and privilege to welcome our host, His Excellency President Dr. William.Ruto, and President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces. Karibu sana.